Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project 1. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. In the beginning, let's go to Dark Project EU. Next, select your keyboard and go to macro. Select number of macro, add macro, rename, import or export. And now select action, key press release, select key, delay time. In the end, record macro. Tap start, stop, and confirm. Now macro is done, you can assign it. Tap save and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.